My name is Richard. So today we are doing one cheese save. I cut my moody. So now my moody is. I have some save. And cheese. Okay. And it has some. Let's take one plate. Only one plate. Chili plate. Wait a minute. Let's put some save inside this. Some save. A little bit of save. Okay. Now put some cheese. Give me the cheese. I put some. Now mix. Now mix here. One more scoop. One little bite scoop. Now we are making for mommy to dinner, right? No, it's dinner. We should eat this for dinner. Yes. So let's melt this. I taste it. No. That's so yummy. Cheese. Now put the cheese in the fridge and this in the bucket. Here the bucket. This is in the bucket. Look at that. Satisfying. That's what putting so I mean sis. Oh, nice. It's so yummy. Tasty. I take. Butter says. Oh, no. It not. One butter. It did it. For our guests. I like that. Sure, because of my goals you high. Huh? I today miss it, I said. I miss it. So all the buttons so sharp and no cut. So water we want to add it. We want to put water. Now, this is good of it. So now let's go to mommy and daddy. Okay. That is it. How you taste? One scoop everybody. Only one.
They are the theater.
Adiyam Appu nodkatta. Ishtaya. Yummy.
Yummy.
Tell me.
ഇവിടെ മുറുമ്പിൽ പിടിച്ച് കിടത്തിട്ട് നീക്കുള്ള